Several universities are participating in a collaborative research project and need to share compute and storage resources. Which of the following cloud deployment strategies would best meet this need? A. Community. Private. Public. Hybrid. Answer A. The best answer to this question is A. Community. A community cloud is a type of cloud deployment model where resources are shared by multiple organizations with common interests, such as research collaborations. This model allows multiple organizations to share the cost and responsibility of maintaining and securing the resources. Private, B, and public clouds are not well suited for a collaborative research project where multiple organizations need to share resources. A private cloud is a cloud deployment model where resources are dedicated to a single organization, while a public cloud is a cloud deployment model where resources are shared by multiple customers who are not necessarily collaborating on a specific project. A hybrid, D, cloud is a cloud deployment model that combines elements of public, private, and/or community clouds. While a hybrid cloud could potentially be used for a collaborative research project, it may not be the best option as it could add complexity and cost to the deployment. Therefore, the best answer is A. Community. Comptia Security plus CertMaster exam topic.